Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so meeting de adwa searching and then the day kan ya ode ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emi abel ne so we be notification and esa news e de betu me we nye bi eti anase we nye bi ahwe e GC and page ha political talk show e Facebook needing any political zone Felix appear and I host the program no Felix appear NPP ni o chese on the odo NPP party we yinim so odo NPP party no na Felix na okase na MPP no ye behwa se NPP eba power no mo ye bibi na se journalist ekoka NPP supporters no chese journalist for no agisika efi NDC for no e no mo bashe NPP se NDC so eba power no mo yade na enye na journalist for koka NDC fonso HSA journalist agiska efi NPP for no mo ebashe NDC sa na akoye ewo maimu na ende Felix apia HSA sensem na yekeka no kware kakra ya bem HSA wodi wani hrem ewo UTV political talk show mo no every morning sometimes woman ya no fefefe ya Kramah na o host this program no NPP for baso na NDC for baso na Felix HSA o monitor program ni din na wo hwa kame akoye se ya Kramah no ye ntimi nka se obi a wo host program ente se unko school wa ko school na u read more so enti se NDC for no omo ba no mba be ye propaganda esese wutume eka se dabi asemo ya wuken ente sa anasa asemo ya wuken etesa ya Kramah nyesa o obetna hodi na wa hwe NDC for no ma ya propaganda hu hia na omo asọrekọ because ensem bebre wo honom na omo ko program no so na omo ka o search ya unhu o hwehwa unhu chese unhu bebi asem ni efi eba enso na omo abetna program no so aka ne poto na Felix HSA se NDC for no ba omo pesika kakra ehye envelope mu na omo de abre ya Kramah enti se ensem no ekoso na se enye no kware kra not wa ye din na otie we na omo etu futuru edegu Ghana fo ani enti sa de na journalist for mo ye wa Ghana no mo hwe yie because o man e be ye ya titiri e fan gina journalist for so na e fan egina ye ntemem for no so na politicians no na obi akoye corrupt sa na chese o man ye ni bebia ye fan ye tie nsema Felix na nkasa e de etudwa
service loan na he na aka Eric AJ Madam for the be am catch was a party now join and mu yibuka na mo nkaza nyansa ni mutirim. You people don't know how to communicate. Ma men kire wade e. Wo wa ban mahama time no. Utie Eric mo kra de loan no mu nya sika mo de be service. I'm showing you the difference. I keep telling you people say MPP ya waze oyo. Na nka ye jai sam we die jam na ye ma ye ne bia nka party wo mo mba power bio. Erikeje during Sabi Mahama better administration, correct administration the best. Nobody can beat Mahama no. Namu loans no pomu to mean service. So you have to go for policy credibility so that IMF can use its paper as a collateral and as a back to back you up for any money any business or country wanted to give you. Bear in mind, during this time, you couldn't even pay service your workers, government workers, you couldn't pay them. Let alone get some of the money to do that. At least I could find there. Well, to me, creative space here will bet to me this is the 5. Echo to ya out of the 80 now, bet you know. How much more about 2 now 2 okra when yes to think outside the box to find the money to service these loans. So you have to run to IMF. You printed 22 billion. Is it really true? So when Ato Forsen and Setepe went to Bank of Ghana and did the same arrangement with Bank of Ghana, they had printed money. And you NDC people didn't tell us. Ato Forsen as a deputy, Setepe as the minister. When they did this same arrangement, with the Bank of Ghana there. Now, and it was not called printing of money. Why do we do this to ourselves? Ya Kramah na make an 1 year. She knows the truth. She knows the truth. But Erika J. Bano, Yamani Bibi Kakras one fire day, one fambrano. Then to obey Janum and nature to fire the ako. I keep telling you, say, these people, if we keep listening to them, Ghana, we won't go nowhere. We won't go nowhere. A himfa, where did we go print the money? The same arrangement you did. Obi baye the same arrangement there was your coprintiska. Your coprintiska no eh. The biameka say sanka Ghana ni ya ka asem kyerɛw ɛna nka wota no o ɛsɛ wota se ne besepa ne konia aban ka me donyame say NDC nya party you would ever go and give your thumb to them for any vote. Because they are liars. The truth is not in them. They want to create panic, cause panic. Legalization of weed. You're starting sebi ejuma yende. As a matter of fact, there is a current bill at that parliament here. Omo person legalizing no mo de we commercial omo kan say industrial purposes. Yeah, Chairman General Kwame Sefakai, de bia opo say anka ban legalize it. But opese to wadwunu say the we near see e be legal. E ku fa do say oni bibia ntro obey we legal. What's a Ghana? Ya illegal. What's a Ghana? Say ya illegal. In any case, Gabio Chedako.
Hello, Faria. Yes, this is a big shout out to you and the whole Bell.
Finance Minister, no, a speech or mine. Then we will go on to what we came here to do today. Interventions. So where the now okokana NDC for Adriana no cause NTB that okoka intervention no money na beto them. Inti dia mebe ken so say nyampa na sebe boka for no mama yehu say nyampa because we nim ade ba ko yam won face the country we want jobs job na yede den na yisika yes say ye ko peska de bebie development bank na beya face the country for ye de na nyiska ni bia fro de ashoma there be and also ye ntiase ye pay development bank Etumu de amopa say Mahama is the president. I'm sorry, or your boka president on yadio. Ya papa Mahama onim government na onim hu bibia o. Na Endra, he showed his incompetence to the highest degree. Your predecessor, the man who died for you to become somebody in Ghana. Instead of you going to utilize him and give him the respect you want, you rather went there to turn that into a campaign as if you're on a campaign trail. Campaign are we in the 2020 in our mail? As some J Park and Webber the year campaign. Now when you Jimmy for Bukafo, so what a brofo, what a brofo, hey, what a brofo or no bluffer? Oh, NDC, what a brofo. Now when him say, a kufado, ni speech all kind, I don't know natural. Or can ideas in your trauma, and I win him. And I sabi, and also him say, presidents have speech writers, and also win him. On one a Troy and all kind and be fluent. More the all casana no from. Or can we no can we. Me baho. Makasa and then no my shed up me baho. That is the main thing I want to do today. But let me yente sebi media review no free or kakra because him say NCBI animal be started their propaganda. And then the general parliament here, you know, so kind of no be now. They are reviewing free education and TVET. Now I say, hey, Yasuma Mohaso. Yasuma Mohaso made the day. You review them free education and TVET. I want the cars ask them no. Anyways, government will say invested in the future of our children through the free SHS, where 5.3 billion has been spent. 5.3 billion has been spent to enable 1.2 million students have access to secondary education. As a matter of fact, 1.3 because 1.261 into 1.3. It's in color over 1.3 million. Ma me papa. Nan komo koton dog chain. Nan komo be komo mujina wiana so yes, I smarter. Yes, speak a better has. Yes, rubber bag new. And then emu 1.3 million. nyame adawroma yenye school eko emu 1.3 million enye school eko osi aban ne nyehwe yankoswe invested in the poor and vulnerable through the LEAP program and also yampa LEAP unless so we be jina ka chem say LEAP na yampa ba minim say LEAP yampa yemfa no ton chen invested in providing 1 hot nutrition meal per day to 3,260,468 pupils in our basic schools. Enti enkoda sebe enya school feeding program. Omudidi free 1 hot meal ye day student ye primary basic school for no ye basic education for no enkoda poly 3 million. Utie enkoda 3 million. And our buying way, show primary to JSS or basic schools one. Free education for a year more with Bianenka. Where a school feeding program, a ya dema, Sabidi, Kufor de Baya, and Untiaman, Kola, and Pay school cra, Adriani or Boko school, Kunyantino, a share uniform, or Kenya, Cobalt to offer 11:45, and no share uniform, no co school, no codidi, or did we are old to me coffee into Obeka, no Siadia for half day. The ya dema, Kubolo, phone call, and in Abbey, Etumiko school, no. Abai making sure say provide the said na mom because sebi ye na ready Yesu Kristo kura no to brebi ane mu ayeden no pesu preach no hu say come de nkrofo we enti sima mom aduane ade amekan ni na be yewura enti e wa no se ne wa wo brodo fabra wa wo nam fabra ene wo hira so ene ye se ye di ya ebibu ye owie no mom nyamesem no omutie ye enti ya papa kufuo hu say enkoda ne bebre no na wo come de wa wo te classroom a ya mo kire